Hello honeycrunchers, it's Jham and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be trying out these two BK nail lacquers. These were sent to me by my dear friend Anna from Pretty When Polished. This is my very first time in trying out this brand, so I decided to make a video for it. Oh, and by the way, this video is not sponsored by the brand or any companies. I'll be doing swatches and I will be trying them as stamping polishes. I read lots of positive comments for this brand and I'm so excited to try it for myself. First, let's see 01 and it's in black. There's a sticker under the bottle that says 01. Before swatching, I make sure that I apply my peel-off base coat first. Let that dry and now let's apply one coat. I found it very opaque in just one coat and I guess I won't be doing another coat of it. Plus, the brush makes it easier to reach the corners of my nails. It dries super fast and it has that brilliant shiny finish. Now, let's swatch 02, which is white. I'm super excited in trying this one because I've heard that it's so opaque in just one coat. Now, let's see if it's really true. After applying a peel-off base coat and letting it dry, let's apply one coat of it. Well, I guess it's really true. It's super opaque within just one coat. I'm really impressed. It's not patchy and it's not your average milky white nail polish. It's super bright that it looks like I applied two coats, but I didn't. A bottle of BK's white and black nail lacquer contains 15 ml of incredibly opaque nail polish. The brush is wide and flat, which makes the application smooth and easy. It has that stylish bottle and the cap is so pretty. It has a rose design which is embossed on top. Now, let's try them for stamping. I'll be using these candy colors for my base. For my left hand, I'll be using the black polish and white for my right. But before we start stamping, let me first apply a liquid latex. This liquid latex I'm using was also sent to me by Anna. Now that it's all dry, let's apply BK01 for stamping. Look at how nice the transfer is. Now, let's stamp it onto my nail. After doing that to all of my nails, let's peel off the liquid latex. After the cleanup, let's apply top coat. Don't forget to seal in the tips for a long-lasting manicure. Now, here's how they look. Now let's try 02 for stamping. Well, that turned out pretty visible and the image onto the stamper is so crisp. Now, let's stamp it. After the cleanup and after applying top coat, here's how they look. As you can see, the stamp design is very visible even on the lighter base. It's like I used a stamping polish, but I only used BK's nail lacquer. Clearly, their black and white polishes are not only good for base colors, but they're also great in stamping. Their black and white polishes are really impressive and I want to have more of them in the near future. If you enjoyed today's swatch / first impression / review video, hit the like button. Kindly share this video to your awesome friends. Never forget to subscribe for more videos every week. And if you want me to swatch, review, or do a collaboration, just email me or DM me on Instagram. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!